Building a chicken coop. A little orange juice break. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good job. Let's see how many eggs we got today. Oh my goodness gracious. It's done.
It is done.
Holy moly. Holy moly. What a day. Let's just say that. That was a day. That was a lot. Beautiful pool though. The orange Halloween house. Very cool. Good night. Good night. You gotta go do Nana. See you later. Good night. You gotta go. Okay, good night. Okay, good night. See you later. Get that little head in there. See, get that little head in there. You gotta go. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.